concern when a matter relating to his portfolio is under discussion in the House shall not leave the House without the previous permission of the Speaker. I don't see any minister here, Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speakers. Neither the Chief Minister nor other senior ministers. There is only one member of the Cabinet.
Agriculture products is simply...
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I would like to raise a point of order under Rule 300 under Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. Yes. In relation to Rule 275A, page 98 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business. The rule says that the minister concerned when a matter relating to his portfolio is under discussion in the House shall not leave the House without the previous permission of the Speaker. I don't see any minister here, Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speakers. Neither the Chief Minister nor other senior ministers. There is only one member of the Cabinet who is sitting, and he doesn't represent the portfolios. Therefore, I would like to urge upon you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, to invoke this provision of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the right terms.
Let me continue.
Sir,
Mr. Speaker, Deputy Speaker, what is your ruling, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir?
I'll inform them to come.
Inform them. Call the ministers.
You may continue.
stand and sit. Sir, rubber seed is one of the highest production in North Garo Hills, and I'm happy to say that our Deputy Speaker is one of the highest rubber seed producer in North Garo Hills, maybe in whole state of Meghalaya. He's a very active and he is multi-faceted personality. Sir, the betel nut is very huge production in North Garo Hills. Not only that, broomstick also one of the highest production in North Garo Hills. But all this production prices is drastically gone down this year. But if we have regulated market, we can contain in some extent. So I request government of the day to have one regulated market in the border area, especially North Garo Hills district, sir. Floriculture in Sarangma area, we have a land, government land, and if this land is properly used, and if we start the intensive cultivation for floriculture, it will be contained. We can contain some youth, we can involve our youth in this floriculture cultivation, sir. Sir, livestock is very, very important, and it is coming a good result. I'm very happy that MDA government is introduced this livestock mission. But when we come to the question of domestic animal, then we don't have a good hospital, veterinary aid center. So I request the government of the day and the department concerned to establish veterinary aid center in each and every block or hospital to help the farmer in the time of need. Sir, infrastructure on sports. Yes, we have football ground in North Garo Hills.
Honourable members, you have completed 5 minutes.
Sir, not
kindly
completed.
wind up.
I heard they start my discussion, sir, because of the disturb from the other side. So,
Not disturb. Raising a point of order. Point of
Disturbance. You look at the rules. Rule 275 is very clear, abundantly clear. Can we create it as a precedence, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir?
That's why
I have been in this August House since 1993.
Yeah. I have already
Never have any member interpreted whenever a point of order is raised under the relevant rules as disturbance. This is the right of the House, and this is in the best earnest for the benefit of this August House. It is also for the benefit of the member who is raising this issue. Therefore, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, that should be expunged.
I'll look into it.
sir, there is some points that I have to discuss regarding the internet connectivity. So some of the area in my constituency, no internet connectivity. So we need 1 and 2 places like Dalma Adab, Adokre, CNRD block. We need 1 mobile tower, sir. So I request the government of the day to have 1 mobile tower in this area, sir. Sir, there are so many points, but due to time constraint, I just want to have 1 point. Sir, whoever comes to Calcutta, he start loving this place. Even late P.A. Sangma, he loved so much this Calcutta, and he called this place Chenangre, that is place of victory. So, sir, people from place of victory is waiting to award and reward to have civil subdivision in Calcutta. With this few submission, I resume my seat.
Thank you. Before I allow Rupert Momin to take the floor, I would like to make an announcement. During the course of discussion on the budget, Sri Rupert Momin MLA had used the word disturbance from the other side. Dr. Mukul Sangba MLA had objected to the word used under Rule 300. So the word disturbance from the other side shall be expunged.